There shouldn't be any reason for you to reject hair transplant patients or hair transplant clients as a trichologist, a hair loss coach, a barber, a cosmetologist, or a hairstylist. There shouldn't be any reason. Why do I say that? Because you have to know what happens after hair transplant. You can help your clients that have had hair transplants. So if you're coming across this video for the first time, my name is Dr. Echefu. I'm a hair loss coach. I'm a hair transplant physician. I've helped thousands of people. I've coached thousands of people too on hair loss and hair transplant. So now let me talk to you. If you're a trichologist, a cosmetologist, a hairstylist, or you coach people that are dealing with hair loss, come in here. I have time for you today. So one of my clients that just had a hair transplant, he came from out of state, and going back, he said, "Hey doc, who's going to be taking care of my hair when I go back to where I'm coming from?" I was like, and that's a very serious question. I tried to find someone that could take care of his hair. Guess what? I couldn't find someone that could manage his hair because he just wanted somewhere he could go to, and to go back to his regular hair care routine. And he didn't have a hairstylist or he didn't have a barber that was already taking care of his hair. He just wanted someone that, that was well versed in the area of hair transplant or post hair transplant care to help him. So I didn't have anyone. Okay, and that was the reason why I developed my partnership plan with trichologists, barbers, cosmetologists, and hair loss coaches. That is the reason why I developed this plan. Now, here are 5 major ways you can help your clients that have had hair transplant. If you're a barber, cosmetologist, trichologist, hair loss coach, and I promise you, if you follow these 5 rules I'm going to give to you to help your clients, you will never go wrong. Thank me later. So number one is know about their surgical procedure, know about their hair transplant. You have to ask questions. Ask them, when was it done? What was done? What type of hair transplant was done? And the stage of the hair transplant, where they are in. What do I mean by the stage? Let's say if they had the hair transplant 2 weeks ago, 1 week ago, 2 days ago, 6 months ago, you need to know because that's very important because you need to know when to incorporate back their normal hair care routine. So you need to know about the procedure. Number two, develop a protocol for your hair transplant clients. What do I mean by protocol? Hair wash protocol for hair post hair transplant. So develop a protocol: hair wash, hair cutting, hair dyeing, hair straightening. You need to know all these things because it's different from a regular person that has not had a hair transplant from someone that just had a hair transplant. Because you need to be careful so you don't damage the hair that was transplanted. So you need to develop a protocol. If you want to know more about the protocol, you can sign up for my hair loss coaching class, which I do virtually. You don't need to leave your house. You just need to sign up for it, and someone from my team is going to talk to you, and we'll go from there. Number three, know their post-operative instructions, know their aftercare instructions. You have to know. Most of my clients have post-operative care instructions. What do I mean? We have aftercare instruction day to day, week to week. So that's why it's very important for you to know. Ask them to send it to you, take a picture and send it to you so you can read through it. It's very easy. Read through it, ask them when they did the hair transplant, you go through it so that you know if actually it's safe for you to restart back your normal hair care routine. So it's very important before they come into your clinic, before they come into the salon or to your office, you need to read their post hair care routine or you need to read their post hair care instructions. So read their number four. When they come in for their appointment, please evaluate their scalp and their hair. So don't just evaluate their hair, take a look at the scalp. So what are you looking for? You're looking for redness. You're looking for flakes. You're looking for severe dryness. You're looking for breakage. Okay. So these are the things that you look for. And once you find any form of redness, I think you should stop at that point and refer them back to their hair transplant physician. You have to. So number five, do not be in a rush to use aggressive or harsh chemicals on your client's hair after a hair transplant. Don't be in a rush. Take it easy. Remember, they just had a hair transplant. It's going to take anywhere from 6 to 12 months to see any hair growth. So you don't want to damage the hair that has not even grown yet. Okay? So do not be in a rush. Take it easy. Education is the best form of treatment. Always understand that. Educate and coach your clients, and your clients will thank you later. And you can thank me later too for telling you the truth. So don't be in a rush. Now, if you're still confused about these coaching tips and you want to know more, I offer hair loss coaching classes or post hair transplant, and we'll go from there. And if you've loved this video, or you know if this video is going to benefit your trichologist, your cosmetologist, your hairstylist, or someone close to you, send this video to them. And they are going to thank you later. Till next time. Bye-bye.